everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be unboxing my November beauty box. But before I start, I'd like to show you what I got in my October beauty box. The theme for October beauty box was Blow Me Away. And this pamphlet tells you about the products that are in the box and information on how to sign up for a free beauty box. So the first item in my beauty box is this really nice travel size hair dryer. It's black and rose gold in color, and then it has a Beauty Society name on it. And I really like that it comes with this pouch with a Beauty Society name on it as well. And I got a Redemption Advanced Hair Repair and Conditioning Spray. And I really like this because it makes my hair really soft and shiny, and it's easier for me to style my hair. And also I got a refill of this conditioning spray. And then I got a lip balm. It's a coconut cream and it smells really good. This is perfect for me because during winter season my lips get so dry. So it helps moisturize my lips. Okay, and I also got a hair towel. I also got a firming and wrinkle repair serum, which is our little secret. That's everything for my October beauty box. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox my November beauty box. Here it is, and the theme is Easy on the Eyes. And again, it comes with this pamphlet that gives you information about the products that are in the box and a $25 coupon that you can use on your next purchase of $99. So every time you get a beauty box, you're gonna get a coupon. Awesome, right? Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything I got in this box. First item is a swag item, and it's a blue light protective glasses. Okay. Wow, isn't it cute? I love the frame, it's so stylish. This will help protect your eyes during phone, tablet, or computer use. Next, let's see what's inside this cute little pouch. It's Immortal Eyes Eye Cream. I'm using this one and I love it because it helps with my dark circles, and it also tackles puffiness and crepey skin. It's hydrating and it is infused with Apple stem cell technology to improve the appearance of aging skin. And then I got an Immortal Eyes refill. And this refill just helped plant another tree through Beauty Society and Eden Representation partnership. It's a full size, and it says, "Congratulations, you have just planted a tree." Next item is a trial size of Perfect Form Neck and Décolleté Cream, and is also amazing for firming and lifting the eye area. And then I also got a black eyeliner with a sharpener right on top of it. This pencil lasts forever. Look at that. It's long. And our new product is Lip Glisten. It's high pigment gloss. And it has a mirror and an LED light, and the shade is Eye Candy. Okay, and another new product is this makeup remover, and it's perfect for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. And that's everything for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get updated every time I post a new video. Bye!